here at the creek, just creek fishing, killing some time. It's hot, but it's nice and shady here, so why not? Better than sitting on a recliner. I got one.
Already?
I already got a little chubby. Oh shit.
What you got?
It's a sunfish.
A green sunfish?
Green? I didn't say green.
You said sunfish. What kind of sunfish? You got pumpkin seed?
I don't know.
Let me see. How you don't even know what you caught?
It's a pumpkin seed, I think. But it's
No, that's a green sunfish.
Oh.
Little fella.
Don't make fun of me, people. What are we doing? Throwing it back?
Yep. I ain't eating them.
I'm gonna eat it whole.
You gonna eat it whole? Throw it over by a little tree, see what I get. Oh, oh! He hit it. I missed him. Oh, he got my worm already. Little bait thieves.
I'm gonna have to show my friends this walker.
Yeah.
What?
I'm watching. Get him.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh no! He's gonna die in the crack.
You gonna rescue him?
I'll save him. I might break my ankle next, but
Let's see if you go in the water.
he's gonna die. We only want you to die if I eat you. It's okay. Oh no! Oh shit! It's in a hole!
Well, that one might be raccoon food or something. Oh, you got him?
Yeah, I swam.
Right then. I'm in a tree.
I was so scared I'd end up using your crutches.
Let's see if I catch one now. There's a big one right there. I can see him. Oh, he ate it. I got him. Green sunfish.
Oh, you got a nice one. I got the baby.
Oh, I dropped him. There. Pretty green sunfish. Oop.
Oh, look at his eyes. I think he'll be okay.
See if we can catch something else. Did you catch another one?
Oh shoot, I'm hitting rocks again. What am I gonna do? It's flying fish over here.
I got one. Another sunfish. Another little green sunfish. Oop. See a whole school or something out there. Let's see what they are. See if I can get to them. Oh, missed him. They're attacking it. I got one. What I got? I got a creek chub. A little creek chub. Oh, he got it. Oh, fat little creek chub. That's two different species. Oh, donk. I got a big one, a big old rock. Oh, I got it off. We got another sunfish.
This is the blue one, or green.
I got another rock. Because I wasn't using a cord.
I want one of those stick things. You reach in there. Because I can't ever get it out.
I get it home. Off that rock. I got off the rock.
Really?
Now you're on the rock.
As soon as you said it, it's like it automatically made me do that.
I'm in the tree. There's a little piece of worm. There's a bunch of them right over there.
I'm getting one right now. Somewhere. I can kind of see down there. Oh, there he is. Get it. Oh, I thought he ate it. Ain't that weird? It's hot now while I'm sitting. That's fine. Nothing. Humidity or something. Picking up.
Yeah. I'm gonna throw it out there, wait, see what happens. Oh, we got something. Oh, he come off. Come off as I pulled him up. I got something. What we got? Another sunfish? Yep. Another green sunfish.
I think I'm gonna go sit down there.
Down there?
Or right there beside you. Okay, so.
Oh, I had one.
Had one.
Had one. Oh, I had no one. School of them right there. What were them two?
This hat is hot. Is it the hat?
I don't know.
You ain't got hair like me.
Nope. I got one. I got a little guy. Boop.
You gonna smack me with
I
it?
got a little pumpkin seed.
I love pumpkin seeds.
That's 3 different ones we caught in the creek.
3 different kinds. Well,
3 different species.
yeah.
You want the little pumpkin seed?
It's okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna catch my own. Oh,
You got a creek chub? Oh, yeah, I seen
I
him.
was looking at you. Look at freaking throwing the thing.
I seen him. It was a big old creek chub.
Oh, I don't have a worm. Hey, I'll probably catch one without a worm.
Oh, I throwed him way over there. Can you do it? You do it yourself?
I do it by myself. Don't need no man. I do need you, actually. I'm lying. We need little worms
Yeah, that's all I had.
for catching hot.
I got one. What do I got? What do I got? I got a creek chub.
Oh my God. I do not like worms
You don't like worms?
touching me.
Oh, creek chub. He's feisty.
I can't break it.
Whee! You got a chunk on there.
I know. I was trying to break it. This gonna get me a big old monster.
You find a bullhead or something?
Yeah, I don't know how that works.
Could be anything in here. You never know. What's in these creeks?
What if I catch the winning catfish?
It could be in there. It could be a
Can
big
you
old
imagine?
flathead laid
Can
up
you
under that
imagine?
stump.
Oh, y'all at the river. Oh no, this thing hates me. I might twist it up here. I don't even know when it did that. It's probably from another day.
I got something.
I got something.
Yep. I think I got another creek chub. Yep. Another creek chub.
The boys need to come do this. They like doing it. Oh, I thought I was like, what just squid?
Take the creek chub back in. Got one. Oh, I got another creek chub. A bunch of chubs over there.
I was sitting on a rock.
Little creek chub.
Oh,
Man,
dang.
they're gonna attack your court.
Dang. Oh.
They come off.
I literally seen like 20 of them hit it.
Uh-huh.
Didn't catch any. Oh, no. That's ridiculous. How you gonna get stuck on a tree in a creek?
Yeah, you may have lost that one.
Are you serious? I'm gonna go climb down there.
You go ahead, because I ain't.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. Give it here.
I'll go get it.
You gonna go get it?
You think I can?
I don't know. I'm gonna record you though the whole time you're going down there.
Don't knock my phone over.
I ain't gonna do nothing. I'm gonna stand right here and watch you.
You think I can get it?
I don't know. I'm crippled. I ain't helping you. See how you do this. She thinks she can get it. We'll see what happens. Is there a raccoon living in there?
Oh, I almost jumped.
You got it.
Yep.
Let's see you get back up.
I'm a country girl.
Look at you go. Yep.
You thought you was getting something good.
Oh.
You wanted me to fall?
I got another one. I got another creek chub, I think. Yep. Yep, another creek chub.
Try to make me a TikTok, but I can't have my chunky legs eye level here.
I got another one. I'm wearing them out over there. What we got? We got another green sunfish that time. Some little bitty fella. Sometimes you gotta go back to basics when you're a kid fishing a creek.
Hey, especially when it's hot as hell in the sun.
Yeah.
Boring.
Got something. Oh, that's a tiny one. That's a tiny little sunfish.
That's what happened to me a second. I don't know how they get on the hooks.
Yeah, I know it. Whee! Oh, I see him dart over. Got him. What we got this time?
Caught 20 fish in the time of me.
What we got this time? Another sunfish.
My own pole here.
Another little green sunfish. Now, give me my worm back.
Oh my God.
Hey, there's a weed there.
Listen, I don't want to hear it. I got my own fishing. I got my own stuff.
You got your own self.
I got my own. Oh my God, out of the tree, and now I'm like wrapped around 1,000 times.
There's a whole school of them out there. Oh, I had him.
Don't worry about me, I'm a thug. Killing fishies by the butt. Hold on. Oh my god, this is fine.
Put right into that school. I'm looking at him, see him chasing it.
So sweaty out here. It's hot out here for a pimp. Trying to catch a fish for the vid. All my fishing money is spent.
You're gonna hook yourself. About did. I got something.
I'll be a winner.
What I got? I think I got a big old chub.
Oh, wow.
I got a little sunfish. Little green sunfish. Little big fella. Whee!
I meant to go over there where all them fish are.
Let's see what you got.
What?
There you go. Yeet. I got something.
Come on, little sonny.
I got a shiner.
4 types. Oh,
Got a shiner.
dang it. I act like I'm trying to catch a catfish and yank it. What the heck? They were still on my worm. I got a little bitty piece, but they're so tiny, they should take it. Oops.
Let's see. Oh, got something. What I got? I got a big old chub. That is a big chub.
It's a big one.
That's a big one.
Fake as dirt.
Hmm?
Fake as dirt.
Bait.
Fake as dirt.
Oh.
It's like weird.
Had one. The ones that are just sitting there in the sun ain't biting.
Okay, that's why I kept throwing them at. I'm like, what the heck? They're just trying to get some sun. I bet that water feels good.
I bet it does. You gonna go jump in?
I'm tempted.
There goes one's coming at it. I seen him.
Come back. Oh, I see him. He got it.
You got him.
He got it.
Yeah, sunfish.
Yeah, it is. It looks like a chub when I was throwing it in. Yeah, pretty.
Yep. I got something. Oh, what do I got? A chub?
You're just a chub man.
I got a chub. I'm a chub man.
Hey, circle of life. I gotta feed the coons because I'm hot and I ain't getting up again.
Let me get out of your way.
I know. We're like on top of each other. Sorry.
Go ahead.
Oh.
Well, you're in a tree, so it doesn't matter if I was in your way or not.
I swear.
Do I need more worm? Should be enough on there.
Oh my god.
You might need to go over to the bridge.
I was doing fine right there, but I think I get nervous so I'm close to you, but really we're fine. Everything's fine, Alicia.
Why are you nervous when you're close to me?
Like I'm gonna get your pole because it sucks when people freaking...
You ain't gonna hurt me.
I meant like tangle up on you. It sucks when people do that. Let me just quit making excuses. I suck. I suck. Not the good suck. It's alright. I'm gonna catch that one right there real quick.
Alright.
I see it. I don't like my teeny wormy. You hungry, Big Papa? That's a 50-pounder right there.
There's about 50 tiny ones pulling on it.
Look at that. It's a big old whopper. Big old sunfish, about 5 pounds.
That'd be a record. Oh, I had
That's how we're
something.
gonna get famous. We're gonna get the record sunfish. I don't think people get paid for that.
Yep,
Oh,
and another tree.
That's a nice tree.
That's a nice tree.
That's about a 50-pound. Told you he's getting a 50-pounder. I ain't saving that one.
Ooh,
You saw it here today, folks.
thought I was getting hooked.
I'm sorry. Love you and stuff.
I'm going the wrong way with that.
It's on your shirt. I'm about to quit.
About to take you to the bridge. There you go.
Honestly, we caught a lot at the bridge before. We used to catch them all the time at the bridge.
Yeah, we did. I just figured we'd try this for a little bit.
On the way here?
Yeah.
We have to
Oh.
go down the way.
Couldn't get my bait in his mouth.
So big.
Yep.
It really is. These are some big ones.
Big worms for tiny fish.
We'll try a couple more minutes and then we can go to the bridge.
Alright then. Throw over me. I got one. I got one.
Yay!
I got another
They said
chub.
don't bite the worms. They'll ruin them out. They're like messing with the bobber, but not
Mm-hmm.
I want a pretty orange pumpkin seed.
Hmm?
I want to get me a pretty orange pumpkin seed.
Oh, I'm about to go to the bridge.
Rolling it in. These guys know what we're doing. They caught on.
Yep. That one's the size of your worm, like seed.
He said, dinner's running.
Alright. We're gonna try the bridge. You grab the worms, I got the poles. So, am I recording?
Is
The
it?
red light flashing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at me again. Oh, I thought it was the battery symbol, but it was a little camcorder.
Here's your pole, honey. What's them little blue orange tail ones?
Do what?
Them little ones with the orange tail? What if I can get him to bite?
I don't see it.
Right there.
Oh, it looks like a.
Oh, I got a sunfish.
That's so cool. What is it? Oh my god! It looks like somebody threw their tank fish. Come on.
A little green sunfish.
Look at it.
Yep, you got a sunfish, a big one.
Oh my god. I want that thing. It looks like a freaking. There's two. Really? He's a wiggle worm.
Well, you see those at Rock Springs.
Really? I've never seen that
Yeah.
before.
They come up and look at it, but they don't eat it.
They're probably too little. They look like minnow sized. I need a proper upper.
A proper upper.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
There's a tripod in my truck. In the back seat.
Try to make them a little short.
Back seat on my side. Got something. Oh, send it flying, whatever it was. Up under the bridge. Got something else. Oh, it come off.
I'm running like I'm gonna run out of fish to catch. You gonna make fun of me?
No? So you can stem the legs.
Yeah, I know. I don't need it too hard.
I'm gonna go over to this side. I'm gonna go over here in the shade. A little deeper out there. Let's see if I can't get it out there. A little deeper water. Oh, we got something. Got something. A big old chub. Big old creek chub. Go back out there in that deep water. I'll give her the old yeet. Losing them?
No.
Tangling up? Huh? Is that what it is? Oh, you shouldn't have done that. That's gonna be it right there. By them trees. Oh, got one. Got one. Another chub. Another chub. Oh, you got it. Oh, I had it. I'm gonna throw up under the bridge.
There we go. Oh my god, they're messing with me. Okay, he's got it.
Get that sunfish. Throw up under the bridge. There'll be a bullhead under there somewhere.
I know, I'd be cool with that.
I got something. Another little sunfish. Bye-bye, little fella. Whoop. Under the bridge. We got hung up under there. I got something.
Oh, that looks heavy.
We got a chub. Big old chub, a big chub.
I'll talk too soon.
What did you do, tangle up again?
Yeah. was trying to just yank it up, and I shouldn't do that, I guess. Because it's so close, you know, and then it gets tangled. I really wish I could get that pretty little...
Let's see what's right over there, if anything. That hole. Might not be nothing in that hole. All up under the bridge where it's cool. Yep, there you go. You got your cork under.
Oh. What? I was looking at all the fish gathering. Wasn't even looking at my hook.
I got one. Oh, we come off.
There's a nice one in there.
I think he's got your cork.
Does he? Oh. He didn't like pull it down, he just stuck it on it.
Mm-hmm. Got something.
Come on.
A little sunfish, little bitty fella.
Look. Oh.
Bloop. Oh, you got him.
That's a baby.
He's going for it. Oh, he hit it. Had him. You got my worm.
He was so fast. That little colorful thing is so freaking pretty. I want it. Just want to catch it. Oh.
Where's he at?
I don't know. I haven't seen one in a minute. I'm just saying.
Some little minnows wearing your worm out.
There ain't much worm left. That's all I needed. Oh, there's one.
There's one. I don't care too much for the worm either. Pitch it up under there, and then as soon as you pull on it, bam, got him.
They're bigger too. Well, not that one, but.
Oop. Just like this, just pitch. 1, 2, pull. Got him. Oh.
You said 1, 2, like you was exercising.
Well, you don't even know. I mean, I ain't got no cork or nothing, so I'm just pitching it. Let it sink for a second, pull on a little bit, and there'll be one on there, like that. They're just thick under there, I guess.
I catch myself not looking at the cork. I'm looking under the water. I'm like, has he got it?
I'll pull it a little bit. If there ain't one on there, I'll let it sink for just a second and pull it again. And that's a good one.
There's a big one.
And that's tons of these little green sunfish in there. Oh, yep, he made it back in. You're on top of a beaver nest or something. There's fish on it though, because you got one. Oh, you had one.
That was weird. It does look like a little beaver hook.
There's a stump right there. Right there. I get it by that stump, I might catch a flatty. Oh, shoot. I got in your way.
It's okay. I got a fish that saved the day.
If I get it by that little stump, I might catch a bullhead. I got something. A chub. Let's see if I can see that stump. Oh, I throwed it right on it.
Sorry, I didn't see yours.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, he's weird. That's cute.
He's what?
He was weird.
Oh, sunfish.
He was like...
Hoping to find a bullhead by that stump, but I can't get it through all the other ones. Another sunfish. I'm ripping them out of there by that stump.
I don't see a stump.
You're past it a little bit.
That one?
Yeah. That one.
I couldn't see.
You're actually about 3 feet in front of it right there.
It's okay. I can see some fish.
Got one. Oh. What's that? That's a baby sunfish. It's a baby one.
It's a baby.
Just a baby. Ooh.
Must have been a whopper.
Is that right? Let's sink there by the stump. Got a bite. And it's a sunfish. Oop. Quick release.
Where's my worm?
Right in front of the stump. All the way to the bottom. And we got another sunfish.
I have a broken worm and he goes all the way down, boy.
That baby. We got a little.
So cute.
Boop.
It was on the Dang, it's fucking gross.
Got another baby one. I think they're getting smaller and smaller.
I thought the big ones are smarter now.
That's a little better.
I can't see my cord. There it is.
Got him. You can take your cork off. Quick release.
Oh.
Oh, I'm pulling them things out of there now. One after another. Boop. How long do you want to do this?
I don't know, I think they're soft. I mean, they're just a little...
That's fun.
I wish I had my key with me.
Yeah.
I want to catch one more. What happened? They said, don't go that way. It's like it goes under and everything, and I don't have it.
The little will grab hold of that worm. Hold on to that worm. We got another sunfish. A little bitty fella. Hattie. Well, there it is. That is creek fishing. You can go to pretty much any creek, catch this little green sunfish or little chubs. But hot day, you don't want to do much. It's a fun way to get the kids out and catch some little fish.
Look at your little...
See you next time.